Hey, in this video, I'll show you and I'll explain what do the numbers mean on Snapchat. So when you go on Snapchat, by the way, like the video because it really helps me out. For example, on your stories and click on your profile photo, you see a Snap number, right? I made an account for the purpose of for testing videos. And my account, since I just did one Snap, I think, has the number 2 on it, which means I have a Snap score of 2. That's some score that Snapchat decides to give you based on your interactions within the app. But when you double click or just click on it once, you have see a 0 and 0 for me. So the more snaps I send out, the first number will rise, and the second number, which is also 0 for me right now, is the number of snaps I've received. So if I send 1,000 snaps, I'll have 1,000 and the first 0. If I receive 1,000, I'll have 1,000 at the second 0. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and any questions you may have, you can comment it down below and I'll try to answer it. See you in the next video.